Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Huawei MatePad 12X. Begin by opening Play Store on Samsung and App Gallery on Huawei. Then download Send Anywhere app on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set up Send Anywhere app. Let's start with Huawei version. Hit I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. To make this app the regular size, you can click on this icon at the top left corner of pop-up window. Then on Samsung, choose I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, whatever you want to in all of those pop-up and send at the bottom left corner. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finish, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it. In Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on this icon above User Guide. Select Only while in use and scan the QR code. I will go with the key though. Then on Huawei, choose No Thanks or Yes I Agree, hit close this window, and as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!